Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Puspita Dewi, kelas 5 di PGSD. I will discuss about online learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has shocked the entire world and has impacted all walks of life. Within these most educational institutions, decided to postpone learning activities. This massive change is a big pressure for all stakeholders involved in the ongoing education process. But on the other hand, it is also an opportunity for educators and students to experience education held online in full for the first time. The development of information technology has a great influence on change in all fields. One of them is change in the world of education. Technology can be used in the teaching and learning activities, which can be said as a change from conventional methods to modern methods. Online learning is a learning system that is not done face to face, but use a platform that can help the teaching and learning process that is carried out even though the distance is far. The purpose of online learning is to provide quality learning service in a massive and open network to reach more and more enthusiasts of learning spaces. Next, the COVID-19 pandemic season caused teachers to need to conduct online learning to break the kind of the outbreak. In addition, so that during the pandemic, students continue to study. The most efficient learning to reduce growth and transmission of the virus is learning by following the advice from the government, namely online model learning. Teachers have an obligation to carry out learning for whatever reason. The online model used by the teacher is using WhatsApp, Google Form, Google Classroom, Google Drive, YouTube, WhatsApp group, to web, and some even have face-to-face meeting with the Zoom meeting application twice a week. Next, there are several applications that can also help teaching and learning activities such as WhatsApp, Zoom, Weblog, Edmodo, and others. The government also takes a role in addressing inequality in learning activities during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 12 platforms or applications that can be accessed by students to study at home, namely Rumah Belajar, Meja Kita, Ikendo, Sekolahmu, Indonesia, Google for Education, Kelas Pintar, Genius, Microsoft Office, Kuiper School, Ruang Guru, and Cisco Webex. Some of the obstacles and challenges for children in carrying out online learning include a less conducive learning environment, inadequate infrastructure, limitation of electronic devices, which also affect children grasping power of the material provided. Therefore, it is important for the institution to know the condition of each student. In the case, providing feedback is very useful in every lesson that is scheduled so that agencies know how children are receiving related to that subject in particular, so that the pursuit of improvements is much more effective and on target. In addition, massive of use of platform as learning media is carried out for the continuity of teaching and learning activities. Even though many students do not have the technology resource related to facilitation condition, especially the internet, especially in remote areas, challenging in the context of learning method as well as causing direct learning platform in the cat areas that need more attention. Online learning is considered effective for the theoretical learning, but there are still many shortcomings in student dissatisfaction with the application of online learning in particular practical course. Some media or learning support application cannot be fully accessed by students due to high bandwidth requirement but not in line with network availability. Therefore, several regions in Indonesia in conducting online learning are still constrained. In addition, the technology acceptance factor also varies depending on the level of education for children who are in elementary and junior high school class. Technology is a new thing. Students are still in developing and exploring period. So the use of technology as a learning medium must be guided by the teacher or parents. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.